Hello, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Now today I'll be sharing a super quick and easy recipe for some macaroni salad or pasta salad, whatever you want to call it. Guys, let's get started. Here I have a pot with some boiling water. To this I'm going to add some salt and I'm going to add my pasta. Here I'll be using the tricolor rotini, but of course you could use any other pasta of choice. I'm going to cook this according to package instruction and I'm going to allow this to cook for about halfway through the cooking process. Then I'm going to go ahead and add some mixed veg to this. Now because the mixed veg is frozen, I just want to kind of thaw it out and let it come to temp with the pasta. We don't want to cook these too much. We want the vegetables to still have a little bit of bite. Now I'm going to let this go for another couple of minutes. Then I'm going to go ahead, drain the water, rinse it under cold water because I am making a cold salad. I don't want my pasta to be hot, so I'm just going to drain, rinse with some cold water and set aside to cool down a little bit more because we want this to be nice and cool while we work on our dressing. Now here in my bowl, I'm going to go ahead and add some chopped red onion. I'm going to add some sweet relish. Now the relish is, the relish is definitely an add. I'm going to go ahead and add some mustard. I'm going to add some white vinegar. I'm going to go ahead and add some garlic powder, some black pepper, I'm going to add some salt, the mayonnaise of course, and a squeeze of sour cream. Now the proportion to all what I'm using, I will list them down in the description box. You could feel free to adjust, add as much or as little of these ingredients as you like, or you could remove any that you don't like. This recipe is super flexible, and trust me, this one is super tasty. Now we taste, and I felt like this was missing something, so I went ahead and add some honey. And that's basically it, guys. The sauce is nice and ready. Now to this, I'm just going to go ahead and add my pasta, give it a good toss, and there you have it. This delicious pasta salad / whatever you want to call it is ready. Now guys, if you like what you see, go ahead, give this video a thumbs up, share this video, and also hit that subscription button, turn on the post notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. And leave me a comment down in the comment section and let me know what you think about this recipe. Now guys, this is best served cold or chilled, so I'm just going to go ahead, cover this, place it in my refrigerator for a couple of hours until I'm ready to use, and that's just it. Now guys, I thank you so much for watching. I went ahead and garnished with some scallion. Of course, this is totally optional. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Have a good day and bye bye.